I worry about my business. I've always worried about whatever I do in life, I have a tendency to worry about things.
My name is Dave Grabitz, and I started my communications career installing video surveillance cameras out of the family minivan, and jumped in with both feet in 2006, and here we are today, 10 years later, almost 20 employees.
My name is Jeff Marsh. I own the Charcoal Grill restaurant chain in Wisconsin. We have 9 current restaurants and building another one in Oak Creek as we speak.
Jeff owns a chain of restaurants local here. He is always remodeling and buying a new building to renovate and opening a new location in the area. And he just contacted us. He bought a new building and he's opening a new restaurant, which just happens to be about 15 minutes here from our shop.
I just need to sometimes pull up video to see if my managers are there or doing the right thing. I'm always on the move, I'm always on the run. It'd be nice to be able to pull up video surveillance right on my iPhone.
We initially got our surveillance system put in just because of we had a couple instances where we felt not safe. Our instructors arrive anywhere between 4:15 and 4:30 in the morning, and our nighttime trainers are here up until 9 o'clock, and it's dark both in the morning and at night at those times, and we're alone. And we also use it to help each other out with teaching.
Our video surveillance system is helpful to me every day. I teach night classes, so every morning I log in through the app on my phone and watch the classes, just to make sure I know exactly what's happening in the class for the night, any kind of things I might need to know in terms of safety, so I can tell my members at night exactly how to do the workout, and honestly to make sure their workout is just the same and just as great as the people got in the morning.
What success means to me is a satisfied client. The jobs need to make money. We need to make money out there, but we also have to have happy clients. And if our clients aren't happy, then nobody's happy.
My name is Mike Vitullo. I am the owner of Nabby's Restaurant and Catering here in Plainfield, Illinois. The security came along after we had an incident whereby an ex-employee of the restaurant decided he needed a little money apparently, and he wound up breaking into the restaurant. And once that person break in, it's a whole different kind of feeling. All of a sudden you feel like somebody, came into your house. It's a feeling that, I guess it's a feeling that none of us like to go through. And that was pretty much in my eyes, the last straw that, we need to do something to protect ourselves even though we're not here.